Hi, this is George Aguirre reporting for week 10, our revenue model assignment for Capstone A. This is for Team Sendura Now. And the team members are myself, George Aguirre, Heather Zimmer, and Marta Herrera. I'll start by just going over what Sendura Now is. It securely connects highly skilled personal care providers with customers through a mobile application, which is what we're working on creating, that offers competitive prices, high quality, flexibility, faster service anywhere, anytime. So when we look at the next slide that we have with regards to our business model canvas, we see that we do not have any changes for this week on it. Everything has stayed the same. We're still working from a revenue stream perspective, still looking at advertising, transaction fees, and beauty product sales being our main revenue streams that we have identified. For the key findings that we had this week in this lesson, as we interviewed our personal care providers, we did find that they are willing to pay a fee for a web-based application, and it could be a monthly, a month-to-month, or annual fee. So that is one thing that we will need to work on to determine from a pricing perspective what we would do there. Also, 65% are willing to provide hairstyles at different locations other than their normal brick and mortar salons, and this could be anywhere like a Airbnb or potentially functions at hotels, things of that nature. 65% of them were willing to do that. Also, most of them are open, actually all of them are open to partnering with hospitality businesses. So again, potentially BR&Bs and specific hotels that would bring them additional service. And then also 100% would be interested in being associated with the platform to drive new sources of revenue for their business. So something that we would be working on is trying to get additional business for those salons. Now, from a customer findings perspective, what did we learn? We did learn that customers are willing to pay extra for quality, convenience, reliability, and security. Security being more of ensuring that they have a position with regards to where they go get their haircuts and so forth. So just knowing that they could go and that there's one available for them. Also, we did learn that customers enjoy pampering and treating themselves with personal care services, but dislike waiting too long. So something that we determined there. And then also customers would enjoy paying through a web application. So that is something of a lot of interest to us, just based on the fact that we do have an app and we would have to work closely with those salons and so forth to create some sort of reliable payment method going forward. For our next steps for these coming weeks, we are looking at continuing to research what bundling we could recommend for the providers for their loyalty programs that they would offer to their customers. More and more that we discuss these type of items with our customers, they are looking for what type of loyalty programs could be offered. So additional haircuts for free, products, things of that nature. Also, we will be focused on identifying incentive discounts, and that would be mainly targeted to the personal care providers. So we definitely need to focus on that, and then also continue to learn more about the applications that currently exist and what the gurus and customers are looking for regards to improvements that we can place in ours. So that is also something really important. We look at competitive advantages that we could have right out of the gate for our product versus those that exist today. So those are the things that we have learned for this week and the things that we will focus on for next week. So thank you very much.